Hi all. Today we are going to see the unboxing of this 12-volt Oakter Mini UPS. I bought this Mini UPS because recently I'm facing a lot of power outreach in my area due to the summer season. I work in IT and also I upload YouTube videos, and because of this I require this Oakter UPS. And I bought this for 1,400 rupees as mentioned here in this website, and it was a 1 day delivery, and the delivery was good and the packaging was also good. Now let's go to the features of this mini UPS. It is a UPS which supports routers, modems, switches up to 12 volts and 3 amperes. And it says here at the right side it has 4 hours backup, and in the left side it says this video has 2 hour backup. I'm not very sure on which is true. I have to put another review video after a month to tell you how long it holds the power as backup. This mini UPS is quite different from the other UPS. The other UPS will have the external power directly, the 240 volts external power directly connected to the UPS, and then the output will be a 12 volts small pin which connects to the router or modem. But in this case, you're going to use your original adapter, which you have for your modem or router or switch, and you're going to connect one end to the input, and here and the output would be connected to the modem router. So this is how the setup is there. So you don't need to discard your old adapter which you bought with the router. You can use it, and since there is no direct connection to this device from the main outlet, then it's also safe. Okay, let's go to the unboxing of this UPS.
Okay, let's open the package and see what we have. Okay, so this is the mini UPS and it is neatly packed. Okay, we have some instructions here, and this is the mini UPS. So there are two slots here, as you see. Okay, so you have the input slot where you will plug in your adapter, modem adapter, and this is the output slot. And you have multiple pins here just in case which pin fits, you can check and you can fit it. Okay, now let's go and fix it in the modem, the router which I have, the D-Link router, and see how it works. Hi, so I'm just going to show you how this device is going to work. So this has 2 points here. One is the input here, and I'm going to connect the this input from the adapter. This is the adapter of the router. I'm just going to connect it here as the input, and the output I'm going to connect to the router. You can see there are two pins here, one smaller pin and a bigger pin. This particular adapter this particular router does support only a smaller pin. Just going to connect it. Now I'm going to turn on the device. You can see the router now. So and to show you here, I'm going to remove the input power here. Okay, so when I remove the input power, the router just works without any input. So this UPS is very useful when there is a power cut. Okay, thank you. So please subscribe and share if you like my video. Thank you.